Melanated, unmelanated, we all need sunscreen. Skincare 101, sunscreen. Sunscreen is a skincare product that is meant to protect your skin from harmful sun rays. It is meant to serve as a shield. A good sunscreen reflects, absorbs, and scatters all types of ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun that cause certain skin conditions such as premature wrinkling, aging, bad diseases that we're not about to declare because we are children of the Most High. So we have UVA, which is ultraviolet radiation A, and UVB. UVA goes deep into your skin. It even goes through glass, and that's why it's so damaging. If you know something, prevent it by going against it. UVA causes your skin DNA to change. It reacts in tanning. UVA damages your skin DNA. UVB has a shorter wavelength. UVB doesn't darken your skin, but it surely does age your skin faster, meaning earlier wrinkles, less elasticity, and sun patches. That means an uneven skin tone. The sunscreen has to protect you against both UV radiations. Please just go with the sunscreen that protects you against both UV radiations. Just make the job easy, real good. So what is SPF? SPF means sun protection factor, and it basically means your personal sun tolerance. It tells you how long you can stand in the sun without getting a sunburn. And we learned sunburn means damaging in skin DNA, means tanning, means premature aging. All right, reduce it. So SPF basically tells you how much longer you can stand in the sun without eventually being sunburned. Basically your sun tolerance time. Let's say your personal sun tolerance or your SPF is, I don't know, 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you have a sunburn. That means your sun tolerance time is 10 minutes. That means now you apply an SPF 50. That means you can stand 50 times longer in the sun than you usually can if you weren't wearing SPF 50. 10 times 50, 500, roughly 8 hours in the sun. But within this time, you have to reapply sunscreen if you're quite active, because there's a chance that you might sweat it off. Okay, SPF 15 blocks about 93% of UV rays, SPF 30 about 97%, and SPF 50 about 98%. If you wear makeup and you forgot to apply sunscreen, use a sunscreen that you can spray on your face. If you have sensitive skin, use sunscreen that is made for children or sunscreen that is ceramides infused just to strengthen your skin barrier. And if you have oily skin, use lightweight sunscreens since they do not block your pores. They might not create a full barrier, but they surely transform the UV radiation and make them less harmful. If you suffer from hyperpigmentation caused by the sun, use a tinted sunscreen because they even out your skin tone whilst protecting it. Use sunscreen everywhere, but especially on your face, because the skin of your face is more delicate compared to the rest of your body. Even on cloudy days, use sunscreen, even when you're inside. But when you're inside, you can tone it down. You can use a 30. A 30 is a good standard rate. Even in the seasons where it's not hot, use sunscreen just to protect your skin of UV radiation. This is something that I want to adapt and I want to be religious about too. Catch me for another episode of Skincare 101. Bye.